first fish of the day is stinking barracuda. About to throw him back before he bite me.
He feels it. It must be pretty good. You got the net.
Another dirty stinking barracuda. See that? Yeah, barracuda. Gotta get rid of his dirty ass. Oh, my fishing buddies here today. Some of them on their boats. And some in their kayaks. Just having a good old day. Nice trout. Yep, this is what I've been looking for. Nice trout. The camera. When is that big one gonna come? When is that big one gonna come? Come on, trouty, 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 trouty. Oh, another trout. Very nice. Quite not the size I'm looking for, but indeed it is a trout. Looking for that monster. This definitely is not the monster that I'm looking for, but it is a trout. Actually, it is a trout, but again, it's not the one that I've been looking for. Mouth wide open. Here it is. Nice trout. Foul hook trout. Foul hook trout. Look at how this bad boy got hooked. Right in the side. Right. Nice little bite-sized grunting little trout. Another little morsel. Another little morsel. Ah, check this out. Pinfish. boy, they all hit. That little pinfish tore up my shrimp. Nice. Makes a good bait. I'm talking about, boy.
Hold on. Go on.
Nice fish.
Big fucking gator trout.
Andre, sorry you missed us, boy. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Break time.
Break time.
Break time on island.
You look at him.
Chris, here's a
Nice.
crab. One of those crabs, the kind that right there.
The
horseshoe crab.
The horseshoe crabs.
Horseshoe crab?
Yeah, lots of them up in here.
Yeah, squeeze down between the kayaks. Oh, this is beautiful day.
How many fish you got?
Yeah. Right on that log.
Got 2 keepers.
I didn't have any fish, but I was like 10, 11, 12. I'm gonna try to clean 2 and take it home.
Yeah. Need to bring a hamburger tray up.
I forget, you know. Oh man. Good idea.
You take the
Good idea.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
take the leftover and throw it in the crab trap.
Yeah.
You can have all kinds of blue
Oh
crabs.
yeah. Get some good blue crab there, man.
He's still cooking.
Oh, we got a lot to do yet. We got a lot to
We're
cook.
glad to get that finished and
You're a good guy in this fillet. You gotta teach me how to do this.
flying?
Yeah. I'm sorry, I was wrong when you were
That
man
is the fillet. He's a better
Well, Chris knows how to play them too.
We'll catch some fish and bring it for you.
Everyone's just gotten some work.
Oh yeah? Oh, you went down? We got enough.
He went out because there was a boat that come in and they wanted to check him out.
How many guys?
They went down that way. He went down.
Who went down where?
That was some guys down there.
I think we have enough. That's worthless stuff. There you go.
That's the only thing is this is why they call it weak fish too.
That carburetor is still pouring gas. Take it home. Pull the carburetor off.
If so, that might be tomorrow.
All of a sudden, all of a sudden, could be.
What you doing, recording?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you ain't got me, do you?
Oh, I could cut